Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths effectively. First, identify your current understanding of core concepts. Begin by reviewing foundational topics like basic arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. It's crucial to pinpoint any specific areas where your knowledge feels weak or incomplete. Make sure you truly grasp each concept before attempting to move on to more complex material. This solid base is essential for future success. Next, engage in active problem solving. Don't just passively read through examples, actively work through practice problems yourself. Aim to attempt at least 10 to 15 problems for each new topic you learn. A great technique is to explain your problem-solving steps aloud, which helps reinforce your understanding. Also, try using different methods to solve a single problem whenever possible to deepen your insight. Regular review is vital for retention. Schedule consistent sessions to revisit previously learned topics, perhaps for 20 to 30 minutes daily. Utilize diverse resources, including textbooks, online videos, and even tutors, to gain different perspectives. Create concise summary notes or flashcards for key formulas and concepts. Additionally, practice with timed exercises to improve both your speed and accuracy when solving problems. Finally, maintain consistency and a positive mindset. Dedicate a consistent amount of time to math study each day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Cultivate a positive mindset, viewing challenges not as roadblocks, but as valuable learning opportunities. Don't hesitate to seek help from teachers or peers when you encounter difficulties. Remember to celebrate your small victories along the way to maintain motivation and track your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.